So if we can get everybody off, we just leave him on there. We can go in there and deal with him. Hey, by line! I'm not touching! Take my arm! Take my arm! Take my arm!
One aircraft forced to return to the gate. 3 overlapping federal statutes activated simultaneously. What legal exposure did every party in this footage actually create? And who, if anyone, is fully protected under the law?
Okay, so the flight returned because there's a passenger that's on the aircraft that was intoxicated. Apparently they weren't wearing their seatbelt. They kept throwing up, like asking why not wearing their seatbelt. Then they got into the flight chases either way for the front of the cabin. Which you could give guys more information.
So real quick, are they cooperative enough where you guys can bring them off the aircraft, or do we need to deplane the aircraft?
Well, she said that she doesn't want to get them off until you guys get here.
Okay, so if you guys want to bring him off, that's fine. If not, we need to deboard.
Okay, so you just speak with them and then see exactly.
Okay.
Y'all able to escort them off, or if you want to come off, or?
Yeah, he's physically coming towards them and giving them a hard time, kind of falling over, so it's probably best if we deboard them.
Yeah, maybe deplane. Yeah. We're not going to go in there and get in with people on board the aircraft. Okay.
We're going to be on the airplane. Hey, quick question. Are we getting everybody on? Or just him?
Try again, you have background?
So if we can get everybody off and just leave him on there, we can go in there and deal with him. Or if he walks out with everybody, we can get him right then. It doesn't matter. Either way, doesn't. We just need somebody to point him out to us whenever he does.
Can we try and see if we could just get him off?
Yeah. If you guys can get him off,
yeah,
that's fine.
Yeah, let's get him off. Yeah. We'll get him off.
755, do you have 2 intoxicants out there, or just the one you guys were assigned to?
So that puts the ball in their hands, right? I mean, we're not going to go in there and like drag somebody out of the aircraft with those people. Yeah.
49, you can go for it, bro. If I was to get the center, take off the place, we won't move forward. Them officers with Airport Police, one of them over here.
He has a bag.
Okay.
Identify his bag.
You need to
Are y'all still making
Identify his bag. Can you just ask him how does his bag look? So I can grab his bag really quick, please.
Hey, my man. Hey, hold up just a second. Hey, what bag is where was your bag at where you were sitting?
Up top.
It was up top. What's it look like?
Give me 2 seconds.
Is it a backpack?
Yeah.
What color is it?
If you hadn't already, go ahead and print you some purple calls for a talk.
Black and red.
Black and red backpack? Yeah.
Yes, sir, I got you. That's why I was clarifying. There were 2 calls.
This is their step.
Okay. Hey, my man.
Yeah.
Is this your stuff
yes,
here?
This is all my stuff.
Okay.
Right. This is all my stuff. I promise.
You remember what restaurant served you? What restaurant?
Give me 2 seconds.
755, go back to channel 2.
What are you looking for? You're just trying to get home? Where's home for you? Down here? Down the jet bridge? Okay, well what's down there?
My home.
Is your home?
Yes.
Okay.
I would not be doing this with you.
Are you want to grab his bag? Or?
I'm gonna. I'll grab the bag if y'all are fucking tripping.
Alright, well let's walk down here.
If y'all are fucked up, let's go. Let's walk.
Yeah.
I don't need you children acting like this.
Lee.
I'm fucking going home.
Lee.
Good night. Okay. I'm going home tonight. We're gonna do a favor.
No, I know. And that's what I want you to do.
Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. Okay. Get your hands behind your back for me.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. So you're gonna be arrested right now for
What? For what?
For
No.
public.
No. Hey, by law, I've not touched him. I've not touched any of these guys. Hey, I've not touched them. I've not touched them. Hey, this is bullshit. By law, this is bullshit. I did not touch you. I did not fucking touch you, dude. Dude, tase me, then. Relax. Tase me, then, bro. I did not do this. What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck? Dude, what the fuck? What the fuck?
Relax.
What the fuck?
Relax.
What the fuck?
Relax.
I can't.
Channel 1 still closed.
What the fuck?
Just relax.
I'm trying to, dude. You're fucking.
All right. Are you gonna relax?
Dude, I'm trying to.
All right.
move
Don't
more.
move. Then don't move.
You're breaking my goddamn fucking wrist, dude. What the fuck?
Relax. Stop.
I'm not. Ah! 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 He's breaking my arm. He's breaking my arm.
I'm not even touching you.
Yes, you are!
Relax.
Dude, I can't relax with you on me! What the fuck? Get off of me! Get off! Get off! Ah! God damn it! Somebody fucking God damn it! What the fuck? Y'all are fucking against. This is against law. This is 100% against law. This is 100% against law. I'm gonna fucking sue the fuck out of you.
49
They're gonna sue the fuck out of you! I'm gonna sue the fuck! I'm not doing anything, bro!
My freaking hip blood.
What the fuck? Please get off
I've been
of
nursing
me!
surgery for 5 weeks.
This is bullshit!
It's going to be reopened. 749
Dude, I
person's going to be
literally
in
just come
handcuffs.
up in this shit! Y'all are fucked! I promise you, you guys are so fucked!
Hey,
quit kicking!
Will you step in? I'm in.
Stop fucking doing this! What the fuck are y'all doing? I'm gonna sue the fuck out of y'all. Y'all are so fucked.
I'm going to put you with 49.
I promise you. Y'all are so fucked. Y'all are so fucked. Hey, can somebody help me?
If it's possible, roll them to one side or the other.
Please roll me, bro.
We roll you.
I'm trying to help you. I'm not trying to restrain, bro. Please. Please help me. Dude, they're literally pushing me down, dude. What the fuck?
How's his breathing?
Like, bro, let me breathe, dog. Like, I'm gonna be helpful to you if you just let me breathe. That's it. That's it. Y'all are fucking pushing on me like a motherfucker, dude.
Hell.
Like, come on, bro. You know this too, dog. I'm not moving. I'm not moving. If you're moving, wait, I can't move. I cannot move.
See, you might have to pick him up from the back side.
Not break me.
We're gonna set you up, okay?
Stand up.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. We're gonna sit you in the chair.
Watch your heads. Watch your heads. Watch your face.
Hey, my back, the back of my arm, the back of my arm. No, the back of my arm, they're broken. No, my arms. Ah! Oh, my arms. Why does it hurt? No, it hurts. Why does it hurt? You're pushing on me. I'm not trying to do that. I'm not trying to. I'm sitting down. Okay, stay down. Take my arms. 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 Take it hurts. It hurts. Ow. It hurts, dude. It fucking hurts. It fucking hurts. I would not be doing this to you. What the fuck, bro? It hurts. It fucking hurts. I would not be doing this to you. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck, dude?
Don't fight the police, bro.
No, bro, I'm not fighting y'all, dude.
That's not what it looks like.
My spot. Bro, you know this, dog. Come on, bro. I'm sitting right next to you, dude.
I put you there.
You did?
You good, bro?
Sure did.
So you started me down right here?
Yeah, man.
I fucked up?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Can we stop right here?
No, we're good. No, that's okay, man. We can cross that when we get there.
My wife's not gonna pick me up. What do you mean?
No, you're good, bro.
What do you mean, pick me up, bro? Ain't nobody picking me the fuck up over here, dog. I'm fucking stuck. I can't move.
Just have them face together. What do you mean? Yeah, right there.
I'm okay, right?
What's up?
I'm okay, right?
Yeah, you good now?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, brother.
Yeah, no worries.
No. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
No. Thank you. That's all. Don't tell me I did this. No way I did this. No way I did this. No way I did this. Come on. Hey, bro. Hey. Hey. There's no way, bro.
Okay, we're gonna stand you up and you're gonna get in the car, okay?
I can't move. I can't move these legs.
Yeah, we're gonna
I can't move these legs. So you gotta help me. I can't. Right here. Help me stand up. I can't move these.
Hold on.
I
Hey,
can't.
hey, quit moving. Hold on.
Yep.
We're gonna get the stuff out of your pockets.
I know. That's why I'm telling y'all I can't move.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good, brother. I cannot move. Do what you gotta do.
Your hands.
You're gonna have to happen. Now I understand. Hey, my arm. Hey, hold on.
Yeah, we're
Hey, my arms are stuck. They're stuck. They are stuck. Please help me. Please help me down.
Get your finger out of there.
Yeah, that's what I want. Bro.
Jackson.
What's up?
Hey, Jackson.
Yeah.
Jackson.
What's up?
Brother.
Huh?
Jackson?
I'm Jackson. Yeah,
You Jackson? Hey, I told him what's up. I was like, hey, please do not remove me from the situation. But I know you need to get me out of the situation, but please, I do not mean to be where I'm at. I want to help you.
Okay.
I know I'm fucked up.
What did you drink?
A little bit of vodka, brother.
Vodka? You take
Yeah.
anything?
No.
You take nothing.
I'm straight up from, alright, you know where I'm from?
No.
New Mexico.
Mexico? Okay.
Man, God shows up.
Good luck, brother. Hey, appreciate it, dog.
I'm trying to hit you.
Hey, get better, man. All right.
I'm trying to, brother.
You got it.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm fucking a wiggly
Go ahead
worm.
and get you up. Get you in the car.
Wait. Oh.
Oh, shit.
And then I cut over to the other. I took half of it. I'm like,
Let me get my
Stop. Let me
just. There you go.
I need to get this.
Title 49 United States Code, Section 46,000. 318. Civil penalty. Minimum $25 per violation. With no statutory cap. Liability attaches upon interference with crew duties, independent of any physical contact. Title 49 United States Code, Section 46,000. 504. Criminal interference with flight crew. Imprisonment up to 20 years. Title 49 Code of Federal Regulations, Section 91. 11 grants FAA and DOJ concurrent civil and criminal enforcement authority over both statutes. Florida v. Bostick, 501 U.S. 429. 1,991. A seizure occurs when a reasonable person would not feel free to terminate the encounter. Flight crew reports of physical misconduct constitute specific articulable facts sufficient to satisfy the Fourth Amendment probable cause threshold. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386. 1,989. Force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, not with hindsight. 3 controlling factors: severity of the crime at issue, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. Texas Penal Code Section 22.S even. Terroristic threat. City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 451, 1,987. Protects profane language directed at officers. A direct specific threat of lethal violence falls outside First Amendment protection. The distinction between offensive speech and criminal threat determines prosecution exposure. City of Revere v. Massachusetts General Hospital, 463 U.S. 239, 1,983. Detainees hold a constitutional right to medical care for injuries sustained during arrest. Documented pain complaints trigger this obligation immediately, independent of whether the underlying use of force was lawful under Graham. Texas Penal Code Section 38(3), resisting arrest. Texas courts hold that the lawfulness of the underlying arrest is not a defense to resisting. Physical opposition at the point of a lawful detention creates independent criminal exposure. 42 United States Code Section 1,983, civil action for deprivation of rights. Post-arrest failure to provide medical care constitutes an independent Section 1,983 claim. This claim is legally distinct from, and survives, a valid Graham use of force analysis, 2 separate legal inquiries, 2 separate liability windows, 3 legal lessons from this encounter. Federal aviation statutes create mandatory minimum civil exposure before any state charge applies. A lawful arrest does not shield from independent claims arising from post-arrest conduct. Voluntary intoxication does not negate criminal liability. Under Texas law, it adds to it. No charges have been publicly confirmed. No civil filing has been identified at time of analysis. Was the crew report alone sufficient for probable cause under Gates? Does Graham fully protect the officers? Or does Revere open a separate liability window? Does the verbal threat clear the Section 22.s even threshold? The legal record remains open,